Hello everyone, this video is going to be me just showing you snippets of my holiday and talking about how my experience was flying during COVID-19. Okay, see ya! By the way, the first clip is of duty free. I didn't get a chance to film myself entering Luton airport because we were in such a rush. So most of duty free was actually closed off because of safety regulations, so we couldn't try out any of the new perfumes, but that's okay. There were some bits that were open though, and those were mostly just drinks and food that you could buy. So we got on our EasyJet flight and we had to wear a face covering, and we brought loads of them, so it was all good. Most people followed through with the regulations. There was a really pretty sunset and I filmed it right here, and then it went all dark, and then somehow 3 or 4 hours later we arrived to the Greek airport. Right off the bat it was boiling hot. The air was so warm. It was really hard to cope at first. So we went through the passport controls and ended up being told to go and take a randomized COVID check. So here's me getting a swab. I was expecting it to be worse, to be honest. It wasn't gag worthy at all. And then we went to pick up our car. So it was really dark when we arrived, but this is the hotel that we stayed in on our first night. It had a really cute layout in the reception. I really liked it, so I filmed loads of different bits. The swimming pool was also really nice, and this was a 4-star hotel, by the way. So here's what the room looked like, and that's a bedroom, that's the bathroom, and here's the living room area. And here's me, very tired. Even though it was 2 a.m, we ordered ourselves a snack. And here was the view from our balcony. This is where we were heading to. Here's what the hotel looks like from the outside. It was a really grassy area. So sometime in the early afternoon, after we had some breakfast, we decided to go to the final destination, which was the beach. We arrived at the Athena Palace Hotel and it was beautiful. Let me just give you a quick tour. So here we are walking down the little path. As you take a turn, here is where the reception area is going to be, right up these stairs. They had a nice little sign, and here is what the reception area looked like. They had some complimentary drinks provided, and we got our temperature tested on this COVID machine thingy. So this man came and took our luggage and basically drove us to where we were going to be staying, which was really cool. So here's the tour of the house. Here's the bedroom, and then you walk in here, that's the bathroom. And then you go over here, and this is where the sofa and the TV is. And there are 2 more beds upstairs. When you open the balcony door upstairs, you get access to this private pool. In the evening, we decided to head on down to the beach. The hotel actually had their own private entrance to a section of the beach via this underground tunnel. And here is a lot of footage of the sunset. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for part 2. Bye!